So what's up guys, what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, this is what we are going to be doing today. Look at my GitHub account. So look at it. So we are going to be editing this GitHub account to actually take a picture of it, what it looked like then, and we're going to be like making it look like this now. We're making it look like this. Like I've been seeing a lot of GitHub profile page for. I've been seeing a lot of this online, guys. So today, this is what we are going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you how to change your GitHub account to make it look more professional, just like this. I think this is great. Like this is great. So I'm going to be taking this in from the beginning, from the scratch. So now I deleted the file. So I want to make it from the beginning. Like I want to show you how I did this. So I'm going to refresh. Once I refresh, it's going to go back to just normal piece of shit. So it's going to go back to this stuff here. So now, before you can do it, this is what you are going to do. You go to this right corner here, then click on new repository. So the new repository that you'll be creating here is, you just give it a name, the repository name as your username. Like if you see it here, it said you are finding a secret, like there's a secret to this thing. Now we are not going to make it private, we are going to make it public, and also we are going to add readme. So is this readme that we are going to be using to edit the profile page of our GitHub accounts. So now this is what I'm going to click now. I'm going to click on create profile. So once I click on create profile, I'm going to get something like this. So guys, I'm going to get something like this. Now to not write code on this place, to not write the code, we're going to go to this GitHub profile readme generator. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this website in my description. On my description, I'm going to leave it. So now I'm going to I've already filled it. You can just do it on your own part over there. I'm Samuel Damlare. Then just a subtitle. Then give it. If you're working on something, you can put it here. The project thing you're working on. You are looking to collaborate. You can also add the link, and you can also fill all these things if you feel like. But the necessary one for me, I already filled it out. So my email, my portfolio I'm working on that. Then the blog, I'll be writing blogs soon, and the experience. You know about my experience. You should be adding your resume link. I'm going to be adding my here soon. So that's all. Then the fun facts, you can have a single fun fact here, and that's great. And also the skills, you can select the skills. Like now I have JavaScript, and I'm also learning TypeScript, and I'm not learning this one. You can also search, but you are going to select the skills, the programming language that you can write. You are going to select it. Like for here, right here, I select this 2 year course. Then the front-end development, I select HTML, CSS. You can select the one that you wish, and React Native. So you can select the one that you know, like not wish, the one that you know actually. You can select it. Then if you're a back-end developer, you can come here and choose Node.js and Express. And for mobile development, I'm using React Native. And that's all for my own skills. And if you have more, you can just choose more. And also I choose Firebase for my backend service. So you can choose. There are a lot of skills. There are a lot of program language where you can choose. And I use Figma for editing. I'm currently learning Next.js. I want to learn Next.js actually, but it's cool. So now, then if you have any social media accounts, like you have other social media accounts, like your GitHub, your Dev, any social media account, I think I have the Instagram, I have the Twitter, and I have the YouTube one. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if this video is helpful. And also, I think that's all. But for me, I select all this stuff. Or for this guy, I select everything because I feel like I want everything. But it's not necessary for you to select it all. But that's what I want. I just select it all because I'll be doing some stuff soon. Also, if you buy a coffee, you can put it here. If you have the username, so I have mine. You can just, if you feel like buying coffee for me, you can just get one for me. It's any amount, I will appreciate. You know what I mean. So now, after getting everything, you are just going to click on generate readme. So once you click on generate readme, you are going to get this code here. So it's this code we are going to be pasting on our readme here. So we are going to be pasting it here. This is the place we are going to be pasting all this stuff here. But before then, I do like to copy this, then put it on my notes. Actually, I made some edits. I'm going to copy it, then put it on my notes. I already have an edit already, so I'm going to be explaining it. So I'm going to be explaining what I have here. So if you know HTML, you are going to just add a jiffy to this. If you notice, you see a coding jiffy, like a guy coding there. I don't know why I wrote it. So a guy coding there, you are going to see it there. So you can just add it here. Just copy this image tag. I'm going to be leaving that in my comment section or in my description section. So I'm going to be leaving it there, and you can just copy them, paste it if you like the jiffy. And if you don't like the jiffy, you can just change it and change it to something else. The one you feel like using, you can change it. But for me, that's what I want. So now I think that's all what you need. So I'm just going to copy everything here. Then I'm going to go to my readme. Then I'm going to paste it here. So once I paste it, I'm just going to click on this preview to see what I've done so far. So here is it. Here is what I have here. So this is the jiffy I'm talking about, the image tag that is there. This is what it represents. So you can just copy it and paste. I'm going to be leaving this in my comment section, in my description section. So you can just check it out and just use it. And also you are seeing this header, this here, like coding banner here. So if you want to do that, just I'm also going to leave everything. I'm going to leave it down below. If you love it, you can use it. So look at this stuff here. So that's what is here basically. That's what is here. So this stuff here, this stuff over here, that's what is there. So you're just going to paste it there, and it's going to show. Like I use Jiffy for it. So this is the Jiffy URL. So I'm going to paste everything in my description section, so you guys should go check it out. And now once I'm done, I'm just going to save it. Then I'm going to click on this commit change. So I'm just going to add anything like adding, like first comment. Then you click on commit save changes. So once you click on that, then once I click on my GitHub profile, I should have that stuff there. So now it's working. So you guys should go check it out. If this video is helpful, guys, please give me a like and also subscribe. And if you have a friend that you think he should level up his GitHub profile page, you can also share this video to your friend so you can check it out. So I really appreciate you guys. If you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really love it. Thank you so much. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.